Alright, we're back to the TRX. Mikey here, got a new hat, Afro Blonde. It's awesome, recommend. But anyway, we gotta fix this thing. We're gonna do a few things. We're gonna take the fan out. We're gonna take these two servos out since the diff's locked now. Cover up the receiver, get that sealed up. Put the battery tray in. Put some wheels on it. Nothing too hard, eh? Be all good to go, I think. So let's come back, I see. So let's set the battery in here. Radio on. That's not good at all. Did you see that? That was complete failure. It was the high and low speed gearbox. So the low gear works fine. When I switch to higher, not loving that. Looks like the servo's not quite moving enough or something. Okay, far from perfect, but it's going to work. And body wise, it's not going to work because it's got these guards that it already has on. It's just an idea, but yeah. We will be sticking with the original Bronco. A little wipe down maybe. Visibility out the window. That's definitely still not perfect, but it's serviced. I got a little pile of rocks outside, just go test her out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the highway and in the driveway. It's a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. Bitter seed with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. And repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
change up that servo. Goes in that neutral, eh? Anyway, we're in low. There's a trick to drive one-handed, but it's going alright. Just need to sort out that gearbox issue, and so in the next video I'll yeah, work out what's going on with that one and have a look at those old axles. So happy, it's sweet.